How to market in Metaverse, quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to market within Metaverse. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what is Metaverse and what is all hype about, and how you can market within Metaverse to actually make money and actually invest in the future. A metaverse is a virtual reality that has been created, and there are a lot of metaverses out there now for different purposes, such as Sandbox and Decentraland, that are gaming metaverses that have been created. So there are a lot of factors when it comes to creating and entering a metaverse. First of all, you can enter a metaverse just to you can be the customer, or it's on you if you want to make money with the metaverse, and for that you will actually have to market within. What are the different ways we can market within Metaverse and how we will do it as a complete beginner? Don't worry, this tutorial will cover everything for you guys. So let's get into it. First of all, I will be using a Sandbox and Decentraland as an example to show you. The first way you can market within a metaverse is through NFT. As a complete beginner, I think this is the easiest way to enter the metaverse community and to change your virtual goods to NFTs and then sell them within the metaverse and make thousands of dollars. How this works? Well, you can go to an NFT marketplace known as OpenSea.io, which is the world's first and largest NFT marketplace. NFT stands for non-fungible token, and within a metaverse, everything is NFT. So if you have a shop, if you have digital goods, let's say you sell shoes, you sell tokens, you have anything, you have an online business in the real world, you want to enter into the metaverse. So how you will do it? You will convert your digital goods to an NFT. How to do that? It's actually really easy to do. There are different types of NFTs out there. There is NFT art. So if you have an art, you can convert it to NFT. Music, trading cards, domain names, collectibles, photography, utilities, support, and virtual worlds. So these are all the kind of NFTs that we can create, and we can enter the metaverse through this way. And this is the easiest way as a complete beginner. If you're just a person sitting at home and you want to be the part of this community, then NFT is the first way you should go for. How to create NFTs? Well, it's actually really easy. You can create NFT art, maybe. There are a lot of videos on this channel as well. How to create NFTs, how to create NFT collections, how to upload them. So you can go ahead and check them out. Feel free to explore the channel and check out different videos about NFTs and about how to create NFTs and sell them. But a quick view for you guys, you just need to, get to the OpenSea, just connect your wallet, a MetaMask wallet, and you will be able to create your NFT and you will be able to sell it. So you can now sell these NFTs on a metaverse. So a metaverse has its own market. If I take you to market, I'll be able to show you the collectibles that we get on our Sandbox. So you can see, welcome to the NFT marketplace. You can see right here. Every person who has bought land within the metaverse, they are marketing their NFT collections. You can see 16 assets, 20 assets. Then we have, if I scroll down, 1,000 assets. So these are all actually NFTs and NFT collections, and they're promoting. This is marketing. You can see right here. Free marketing with the platform. And they're selling their NFTs as well, and they're also the part of the metaverse. So this is how you can also do it. You can market in metaverse through NFTs. The next way you can market in metaverse is going to be establishing your own venue. This is the most important part. And what we do is, in the metaverse, there are different lands that we can buy. And in lands, what happens is that you can create any kind of, venue. You can create bars, you can create restaurants, you can create, different shops, you can create a game. So you just need to buy a land within the metaverse, and then you need to create a venue where people will visit. It's just like creating something in real world, like creating a restaurant in the real world. And then in metaverse, the only difference is going to be you bought the land once and you don't have to do a lot, because people enter the metaverse and they will be simply, joining your venue that you have created. Let's say you have a restaurant and people will be coming to metaverse and they will be coming to your restaurant paying you. You can have different subscriptions, you can have different cards that you can give them, and you can make money with that. And you don't have to worry about little things. For example, in real life, you want to host a concert for 10,000 people, then you have to worry about where the washrooms and the setting and the public place. But in metaverse, 10,000 people can actually join your venue really easily. So these are the differences that we get with the metaverse and in real life. And with the venue, this is, I think, the best investment in metaverse if you buy a land. How to do that? For example, in Sandbox, you can see we have a map, and the lands can be bought in the form of NFT. You can go to a marketplace. The lands are also available on OpenSea, and they're not that expensive, to be honest. According to the prices right now, you can buy a land for a very good land, a piece of land in maybe, $10,000 or maybe $1,000. That's it. I think $2,000. There are lands available for, it is available on Ethereum for Sandbox. So it's going to be like 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum, and it depends on the market. So right now, like if a land is, 1.3 Ethereum, it's just like 1700 USD. So that's not much, and you can get a land within the metaverse, and then you can create a venue of your own, and this will help you market within the metaverse of your business. Wherever you have, you can market with your own venue within the metaverse. Another way you can market within the metaverse is going to be selling virtual goods to avatars. Within the metaverse, when people enter it, they will be wearing clothes, they will be wearing shoes and different accessories, and how they will be buying it. If you create a shop within the metaverse and if you have retail goods for them, you have different accessories, you have clothes and shoes for the avatars, then you will be able to make a lot of money and market your business within the metaverse. This is the reason why a lot of famous, sportswear companies and clothing companies have entered the metaverse. And what they're doing is they're providing the same clothes, the same things, they introduce new shoes. There are different companies such as Puma and Adidas. They're actually entering the metaverse. So this is like a perfect example for you guys. So what they're doing is they're selling different retail goods to the avatars. Within a metaverse, there is an avatar like a person right here, just like in Roblox, right? You can have your own avatars, and then what you can do is you can sell them products. You can sell, wigs, and you can sell clothes, t-shirts, glasses, different things to the avatars. And this is the way you can actually market in metaverse and make a lot of money. There are a lot of other ways to market within the metaverse, but as a complete beginner, I think these are the ways you should do it, and it's even not that expensive for you guys if you want to invest in the metaverse. So if you understand metaverse and if you want to get started, you can go ahead and check out the metaverse that you are following, and you can go ahead and buy a venue, maybe start creating NFTs for that metaverse, or you can sell retail goods if you have a business online. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.